If you're ready to make each day more productive and less stressful, today's tutorial is for you. I'm going to walk you step by step through how to plan your day using Asana. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to organize your work, stay on top of new updates, and focus on what really matters, all from a single dashboard. Let's jump right in and get started. First, let's talk about My Tasks. When you log into Asana, head straight to your My Tasks page. This is where you'll see all the work assigned to you across every project and team. It's your personal command center. Think of it like the front page of your planner with everything laid out. You don't need to hunt around through different projects or wonder what's missing. It's all right here. Whenever you start your day, this should be your go-to spot. Now, before diving into your work, let's organize My Tasks a bit to make it truly helpful. Asana lets you create sections, kind of like dividers in a physical notebook. You could set up sections by time of day, like morning and afternoon, or group things by priority, such as high priority or to delegate. This not only keeps your task list neat, but helps you mentally chunk your workload so nothing feels too overwhelming. Next, take a moment to sort your tasks. You can arrange them by due date, by project, or even by custom fields you've set up. Sorting is crucial because it makes sure you're working on the right things at the right time instead of being pulled in a million directions. Here's a helpful tip that saves tons of time. Set up rules to automatically move tasks due today into a Today section. Asana allows you to automate this, so as soon as a task's deadline arrives, it pops into your immediate view. You won't miss anything urgent, and you get a daily to-do list delivered straight to you. This takes a few moments to set up, but it's absolutely worth it. After that, check your inbox. This is where Asana compiles any new activity, comments, updates, or conversations about your tasks. Think of this as your notifications tray. Give it a quick scan before starting anything major. Sometimes a task's requirements change, or you might get helpful feedback from a teammate. Don't worry if your inbox looks busy at first. With regular checking, you'll stay ahead of any surprises. As you move through the day, you'll inevitably have new things to tackle. Go ahead and add new tasks as they come up. Assigning them to yourself and adding clear, actionable titles. Don't just write email. Make it Email Sarah Client Proposal. Be sure to add due dates to keep your priorities straight. This habit will save you from late-night, frantic checklist cramming. Now, it's time to execute and manage your day. Start by prioritizing. Take a hard look at your most important tasks and try eating the frog. That means tackling the toughest or most critical item first. Getting that big task out of the way early frees up mental space for everything else. Block chunks of time on your calendar for focused work. Letting yourself know, from 10 to 12, I'm only working on the budget review, keeps distractions at bay. Throughout the day, work directly from My Tasks. Resist the temptation to bounce around. This way, you stay laser-focused and can see your progress in real time. When you click into any task, open the detail pane to access all the context, attachments, or instructions. If you need more information or something isn't clear, add questions or respond to comments right in the task itself. Keeping communication here means nothing gets lost in endless email threads. Finally, and this is the best part, as you finish tasks, mark them as complete. It's a small action, but it's so satisfying. Not just because your list gets shorter, but because you see real progress. It also lets your teammates know what's done, so you can move on to the next priority with confidence. And that's how you plan your day in Asana. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a like, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or tips of your own. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until next time, happy planning!